Are you looking for really compact absolute rotary encoders for mobile machines? Then I have the solution to your problem here. Welcome to SIKO. I'm Lukas Dickele, Product Manager in the Business Unit Mobile Automation. Today I present you the absolute rotary encoders WV3600M and WH3600M. With a 100% focus on use in mobile machines, the encoders were specially developed according to the requirements of commercial vehicles. As a result, the encoders meet the highest requirements of robustness, reliability and efficiency. Based on magnetic measurement principle, revolutions can be measured with a resolution of up to 16-bit. Thanks to the mechatronic multiturn, no additional battery is necessary, making the sensors rear and maintenance-free. Due to the extremely compact design and the outer diameter of only 36 mm, the encoders are the perfect solution for accurate position and speed measurement in applications with limited installation space. While the WH3600M is available with several hollow shaft diameters, with the WV3600M you have the opportunity to choose between different solid shaft variants and all common mounting types. Furthermore, both encoders are available with an M12 connector or cable outlet. Alternatively, the sensors can also be set up with a Deutsch or RMP super seal connector. The sensor values can be transmitted via CANopen or SAE J1939 interface, which allows an easy integration into the overall system. Equipped with our pure mobile technology, both encoders offer maximum robustness. Thus, both encoders are suitable for a wide temperature range from -40 to +85 degrees Celsius and have a salt spray resistant housing. In addition, both encoders meet the high protection classes IP67 and IP6K9K and also have a high EMC resistance. Due to the E1 approval by the German Federal Motor Transport Authority, the encoders can operate in applications on public roads. If linear positions or speed shall be measured, the WV3600M can be combined with our draw-wire encoders. This gives you not only compact but also robust draw-wire encoders. Please click on the links below in the video description for more information to these products. I would be happy if you would have further interest in these products. Please contact me if you would like to have a test sample or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.